Hi everyone, this is Starry. In this class, we will see second problem from exercise 2.7, chapter numbers and sequence. So let's go into the video. Here in second problem, write the first three term of GP. We have to write the first three term of GP. First three term means T1, T2 and T3. We have to find whose first term and common ratio are given below. First term and common ratio are given below. We have to find T1, T2, T3. So we have a formula for finding terms of GP. So Tn is equal to A or power n minus 1. It is for finding GP. Okay. For AP we have different. For finding GP we have this. So we need to find T1, T2, T3 with the help of this formula. So T1 already given here A. T1 is always A. So T1 is equal to A equal to 6. Okay. We need to find T2. T2. In place of A we will write 6. We have or here 3. In place of or we have written or value and n minus 1. So we have 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Is equal to 3 power 1 is 3. So 6 3s are 18. So T2 is 18. So we need to find T3. In place of A we will write 6 and in place of or we will write 3 and power is n minus 1. N is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we'll write as 6 into 3 into 3. Okay. 6 3s are 18. 18 3s are 54. So first term is 6. Second term 18. Third term 54. So the first three terms are 6, 18, 54. Okay. Then we have to find this. For same formula, Tn is equal to A or n minus 1 power. Okay. So T1 already given here question itself. The value is A. So it is root 2. Okay. For T2, in place of A, we have to write root 2. In place of R also we have to write root 2 because R value also root 2. A value root 2, R value root 2. We have n. N is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So root 2 into root 2 equal to 2. That is T2. T2 equal to 2. Then we have to find T3. Okay, T3 is equal to A value. In place of A we have written A value into we have R value root 2 over n minus 1. N is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we will write as 2 into, this can be write as root 2 into root 2 because it is square. Square means 2 times. So root 2 into root 2 we will get 2. We have 1 root 2. So 2 root 2. So the first three terms of GPR we have root 2 comma 2. We find second term. Third term is 2 root 2. Okay, we have found this. Then we have this question. So we same formula for this also. A or n minus 1. So we need to find T1 first. T1 already given here A. So it is 1000. Okay. Then we have to find T2. T2 in place of A we have to write 1000 into R value we have 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Then n value we have 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. N value 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we will return 1000 into 2 by 5. So 5 1 time 5 200 time 1000. So 200 into 2 we get 400. That is T2. We need to find T3. T3 value in place of A we will write 1000 into, in place of r we have 2 by 5, then n value is 3, 3 minus 1 will get 2. So 1000 into 2 by 5 power 2 means 2 2s are 4, 5 5s are 25. Okay, so 25 ones are 25, 40 times we will get 1000. So 40 into 4 we will get 160. 4 4 are 16, 0, so 160. So T3, the first three terms of GPR, first term we have 1000. Okay, second term we have 400. We got second term 400. Third term we have 160. That's it. If you like this video, give it a like, share it to your friends, and leave a comment. I will post my videos oftenly. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to get all our latest updates, and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.